Hey, Freddy Servant here. Welcome back to another YouTube video. So, April's CPI data was released this past Wednesday, and it had some mixed things in there, some good things and some bad things. Now, the rate of inflation did decline 0.2%, not very much, and gas prices did go down, which is good. However, core inflation, which includes things like shelter and food, continue to rise. They just about doubled from March until April. And so inflation is still a growing concern. It's impacting the commercial insurance market. So in this video, I want to give you some specific ways that you could fight business insurance inflation to help you sustain your business and remain profitable. So if inflation remains volatile, you want to strategize, and the first thing you want to do is review your insurance coverages, your terms, your conditions, and especially exclusions. So you want to look for limitations and exclusions that may go against your business operations and therefore reduce coverage. And I think that this is where working with an independent broker could really add value, because a broker could walk you through the legal jargon, the terms, the conditions, and make sure that you're adequately covered for the type of work that you do. Next is you want to reassess your property valuations. So if you're a landlord or you own the building where your business operates out of, you want to make sure that you reassess your property valuations for today's current market. Confirm that your policy will cover for today's replacement costs and current property valuations. Because what could happen is if you aren't covered enough for your dwelling, you could be shifted into what's called actual cash value, which is only going to pay a percentage of the depreciation value of your property in the event of a loss, which could leave you super underinsured and exposed to out-of-pocket expenses, again, in event of a loss, which if you're not prepared for could be super devastating. So you want to make sure that you reassess your property valuations and that you have enough coverage. Next is you want to implement some risk management strategies. Now, implementing risk management could definitely save your company in the long run from liability and exposures. And again, this is where working with an independent broker could really add value, because they could help identify hazards and then help you come up with some sort of plan to reduce those claims and exposures. So now that you know how to come up with the right sort of plan to fight business insurance inflation, and if you like talking about these things back and forth and working with an insurance professional like this, we would love to work with you. The next steps to making sure that you got the right plan in place to fight this inflation is a few clicks below.